Hello guys, Rohit here again. Today in this video we are going to solve a new problem from arrays concept in interview bit. Here we have today wave array. The problem name is wave array which is asked in Google, Adobe and Amazon. So let's get into the problem. So it was given that you are given an integer array of integers a, and you are required to sort the array and return it in like a wave format. So what is the format they were mentioning? The first element must be greater than the second element, whereas the second element which must be less than the third element. It is like a wave, if you can see. Uh, Wave goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So something like that. Higher value, lower value, higher value, lower value. So this thing you need to this type of series you are required to produce, but it must also be in the lexicographically smallest, like it should be first in the dictionary order. That is what they were mentioning. So the very basic idea is, first of all, let's consider an array 5, 10, 6, 2. Okay, so this array has four elements. Now first of all, we are required to sort it, right? So I am sorting it. After sorting, the array becomes 2, 5, 6, and 10. So lexicographically smallest order, in the sense we are required to swap adjacent elements like 5 and 2. I am required to swap. After that, I need to move to 6. Here I am required to swap 10 and 6, and this is the solution which we are required to submit. Whereas, if say for example, if there are odd number of elements, I am adding 11 to this series. So we are not applying it for the last element. So you need to take care whether the series is odd, like having odd number of the array is having odd number of elements or even number of elements. So first of all, I'm declaring a dynamic array of type int. I'm naming it as result. Okay. Now I am considering a variable n which takes the value of size of the given input array. Now, okay, I'm checking. Okay, before checking, we are required to sort the array, right? So first of all, I'm sorting the array a dot begin to a dot end. Okay, I have sorted the array A. Now I'm required to check whether it is a odd number or an even number. The number of elements, yeah. If it's even, you are required to apply one logic. Else, you are required to apply a different logic. There's some very minor changes. Say for let I equals 0 semicolon, I should be less than C. Say for example, if it has only even number of elements, the I value till this is n minus 1, n minus 2. So we are just required to iterate till n minus 2. So I less than equals n minus 2 semicolon. I am increasing it to I value by 2. Why we are increasing it? Because after swapping 5 and 10, we are required to move to 6. We are no need, we don't require to swap 10 and 6. Okay, we need to swap the pairs, adjacent pairs. So we are required to move to 6. So that is why I am adding 2 to the I value. So here we are not exactly swapping, but we are changing the order in which we are pushing the value. Push back off. Initially, first I will push I plus one element, and next I am gonna push ith element. Similar code which also applies for odd number of elements, but there is a minor change, very minor change. Okay. Okay, this becomes n minus 3 in the case of odd number of elements. Why? See, here if we are having odd number of elements, so 2 and 5 you are required to swap, 6 and 10 you are required to swap, 11 you need to remain as it is, right? So here 6 is 11 is n minus third element, n minus one element. This is n minus two element. This is n minus three element. So you are required to iterate just till n minus three, and at last you are required to push back the final value, which is a of n minus one in case of odd. Okay. Now we are required to return the result. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm testing the code. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry for this. It must be actually round brackets. Sorry for this. So let's test the code. Oh shit, wait. I forgot to remove this. Let's test it again. Yeah, successful. Let's submit. Yeah, successful. Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like and share the video if you like my content, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Happy coding.